Now the seventh question is, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. I'm going to draw its figure. Now AB is a building. AD is a transmission tower. Now the height of this building is 20 meters. Now the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. It means this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 60 degree. We are to find the height of the tower. We are to find the height of this AD. Let the height of AD is h meter. Then the height of DB is h plus 20 meter. I am to find the height of the tower. I am to find the height of AD. Let me repeat it. C is a point on the ground. AB is a building. Its height is 20 meter. A transmitter tower is fixed on the top of this building and let its height is h meter. The angle of elevation of the bottom and top of this transmission tower with this point C is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Let the length of this BC is x meter. Now we have two right angle triangles. But one is ABC, the other is DBC. So in triangle ABC, so in right angle triangle ABC, perpendicular upon base is tan 45 degree. Perpendicular upon base is tan 45 degree. Perpendicular here is AB and base here is BC, which is equal to 1. AB is 20 meter and BC is x meter is equal to 1. If we cross multiply it, x is equal to 20 meter. Now in triangle DBC, perpendicular upon base is tan 60 degree. Perpendicular here is DB and base here is BC. DB is h plus 20. Base here is x is equal to tan 60 is root 3. It means h plus 20 is equal to root 3x. Instead of x, I'll write 20. So h plus 20 is equal to root 3 into 20. It means h is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. It means 20 common root 3 minus 1 in the bracket. So height of the transmission tower is 20, root 3 minus 1 in the bracket, meter. So this is the height of the transmission tower. Now the eighth question of exercise 9.1 is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. I'm going to draw its figure. Now AD is a statue, which is 1.6 meter tall. This statue stands on this pedestal. This is pedestal. AB is pedestal. This statue stands on this pedestal AB. And this is a point on the ground. C is a point on the ground. And from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. And from the same point, from this point C, the angle of elevation of the top of this pedestal, this is the top of the pedestal, that is 45 degree. So this point makes an angle 45 degree with this point C on the ground. We are to find the height of this pedestal. Let the height of the pedestal is h meter. It means height of DB is h plus 1.6 meter. H plus 1.6 meter. H plus 1.6 meter is the height of this DB. Now we have two right angle triangles. One is ABC and the other is DBC. We are to find the height of this pedestal, which is h meter. Now, first I'll discuss this triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, perpendicular upon base is tan 45 degree. Perpendicular here is AB and base here is BC. Let BC is x meter. So AB here is h meter and BC here is x meter, which is equal to 1. So by cross multiply, h is equal to x. Now in triangle DBC, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60 degree. Perpendicular here is DB and base here is BC. DB is h plus 1.6 and BC is x is equal to tan 60 degree. H plus 1.6 upon x is equal to root 3. H plus 1.6 is equal to root 3x. So instead of this x, we are going to write h. So h plus 1.6 is equal to root 3h. So on the next page, I'll find the value of this h. H plus 1.6 is equal to root 3h. It means 1.6 is equal to root 3h minus h. It means 1.6 is equal to take h common, root 3 minus 1 in the bracket. So value of h is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize it. So root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. We will multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1. So I'll have 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. It means 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. It means 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Just cut the numbers. I'll have 0.8 here. So answer is 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. So that is the height of pedestal.